Q8345. What is the purpose of a compensating port or valve in a brake master cylinder of an independent brake system? A. Permits the fluid to flow toward or away from the reservoir as temperature changes. B. Assists in the master cylinder piston return. C. Prevents fluid from flowing back to the reservoir. The correct answer is A. The compensating port or valve in a brake master cylinder of an independent brake system permits the fluid to flow toward or away from the reservoir as temperature changes. This allows for proper fluid level in the master cylinder as the temperature of the brake system changes due to brake application and cooling. Q8346. If an aircraft shock strut, air/oil type, bottoms upon initial landing contact, but functions correctly during taxi, the most probable cause is A. Low fluid. B. Low air charge. C. A restricted metering pin orifice. The correct answer is A. When an aircraft shock strut, air/oil type, bottoms upon initial landing contact, but functions correctly during taxi, the most probable cause is low fluid. This is because the fluid in the strut helps to absorb the impact of the landing. If there is not enough fluid in the strut, it will not be able to absorb the impact, and the strut will bottom out. Q8347. What is the function of a cam incorporated in a nose gear shock strut? A. Provides an internal shimmy damper. B. Straightens the nose wheel. C. Provides steering of aircraft during ground operation. The correct answer is B. The cam incorporated in a nose gear shock strut is used to straighten the nose wheel. This is done by providing a mechanical linkage between the strut and the nose wheel. When the strut is extended, the cam rotates and causes the nose wheel to turn. This ensures that the nose wheel is always pointing in the right direction, which is important for steering the aircraft on the ground. Q8348. Extension of an Oleo shock strut is measured to determine the A. Amount of oil in the strut. B. Physical condition of the strut itself. C. Proper operating position of the strut. The correct answer is C. The extension of an Oleo shock strut is measured to ensure that it is within the proper operating range, which is critical for the safe operation of the landing gear. The extension is usually measured from the fully compressed, or jacked, position to the fully extended position. If the extension is outside of the manufacturer's specified range, the strut may need to be adjusted or serviced to ensure proper operation. Q8349. Debooster cylinders are used in brake systems primarily to A. Reduce brake pressure and maintain static pressure. B. Relieve excessive fluid and ensure a positive release. C. Reduce the pressure to the brake and increase the volume of fluid flow. The correct answer is C. Debooster cylinders are used in brake systems to reduce the pressure to the brake and increase the volume of fluid flow. This allows the brakes to be applied more smoothly and released more quickly.